HostGator or InMotion hosting, two huge names in web hosting, but which one really delivers? On the left, HostGator, simple, scalable hosting for all. And on the right, InMotion hosting. Speed first hosting and stellar support. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. So here's the game plan. Here are all the categories we'll be comparing: price, performance and speed, security, customer support, features and flexibility, data centers and coverage, and ease of use. We'll go through each side by side so you really get the full picture. Let's start with price because, let's be real, we all want the best bang for our buck. First up, HostGator. Their intro plans start at just $2.29 a month. They're always throwing out those tempting discounts, and unmetered storage is kinda clutch if you're not sure how big your site'll get. But the catch, those renewal rates sneak up on you, and when you start looking at higher tiers, the value's not quite as good. Now, InMotion hosting comes in with the lowest entry price around at just $2.24 a month. Plus, there's legit long-term value, especially if you're sticking around for a while. Oh, and here's something cool: InMotion offers a price lock guarantee on some plans so you don't get any surprise hikes later. Sure, renewals can be a bit higher, and I'll admit that cheapest plan is pretty bare bones, but overall, InMotion hosting is slimmer on price and gives you more for the long haul. So yeah, InMotion takes the win here. Alright, now let's chat about performance and speed, and honestly, if your site drags, nothing else really matters, right? HostGator actually holds up pretty well with a largest contentful paint of about 1.1 seconds, and hey, their uptime is consistently above 99.9%. For global visitors, you're definitely covered on stability, but, and this is kinda important, they're not quite as fast as InMotion hosting by the numbers. Speaking of which, InMotion is just ridiculous in this category. LCP clocks in at only 663 ms. That's barely a blink. They've got these ultra-stack servers and something called max speed zones to optimize reach, plus uptime at 99.98%, pretty dang impressive. Only downside is you might see an occasional micro outage, but honestly most people won't even notice. So if you're after pure speed, InMotion hosting is where it's at. Moving on, let's talk security, because no one wants their shiny new website getting hacked on day one. Okay, HostGator, it's pretty basic here. You get free SSL and standard firewalls, but that's kinda where it stops unless you start paying extra for more advanced stuff. No daily automated backups out of the box, which honestly is a bummer unless you like living on the edge. Now, InMotion hosting really comes alive in this area. Free SSL, actual malware protection included, plus DDoS, hack, and brute force defenses as standard. Also, you get WPCLI and SSH access, which is awesome if you like tinkering with things yourself. Yeah, you still have to pay for backups, and those DDoS protections are solid but not mind-blowing. But for most users, InMotion's got you covered way better. Security win goes to InMotion, hands down. Quick trivia break: did you know InMotion's 90-day money-back guarantee is actually one of the longest in the hosting world? Most hosts only give you like 30 days. So if you're not happy or you just change your mind, there's plenty of time to bounce. Let's talk about something that can make or break your experience: customer support. HostGator's got you covered 24/7. They've got live chat, phone support, and a huge resource library so you won't get stuck Googling random tutorials. But just being real here, their response times can be all over the place, and sometimes you don't get the best solution the first time around. Flip over to InMotion hosting and oh wow, they do 24/7 365 support. That means literally every day of the year. Chat, email, ticket, phone, all the options. The agents are fast, super knowledgeable, and their 90-day money-back guarantee is crazy generous. Occasionally, I've heard support is slower for really technical stuff, but overall you get way less frustration with InMotion. So, another win for InMotion. Now, onto features and flexibility, which is kinda where you see if a host is just bland or actually worth it. HostGator gives you unmetered bandwidth and storage, a free domain for your first year, and their site builder is dead easy for newbies. Plus, cPanel is there for all your settings, but if you're someone who loves advanced developer tools, HostGator's kinda meh, and you don't get free site migration unless you're on a higher plan, which is not ideal. On the other side, InMotion brings the heat. free migrations, staging environments, compatibility with like every app you can think of, plus cPanel, Softaculous, and even SSH access. Oh, and WordPress or Joomla comes pre-installed if you want. Their site builder is a little less friendly for absolute beginners than HostGator, but the sheer flexibility, it's just on another level. InMotion hosting steals the show here. Data centers and coverage, let's be honest, most people don't even think about this, but it can really change your site's speed if your visitors are spread out. HostGator keeps it simple. US-only data centers, solid speeds for American audiences, but nothing overseas. If most of your traffic is stateside, you're good, but if you've got a mix of international visitors, it's kinda limited. Now, InMotion hosting, this is clever. They've got centers on US East, US West, and Europe Amsterdam, plus these max speed zones which basically let you pick where your site's fastest. Not gonna lie, they don't have servers in Asia or South America yet, but already it's farther reaching than HostGator. International reach, InMotion is the clear winner. Last but not least, ease of use. This one's actually a tie. HostGator's UI is built for beginners. Seriously, you almost can't mess things up. cPanel, a native interface, and one-click WordPress installations, super simple. The only thing that might bug you is the upsells during setup. They really want you to buy all the extras. InMotion hosting, on the other hand, has a more modern look and makes managing your account or site a breeze. Onboarding is straightforward, but the backend is a bit more advanced, so there's a teeny learning curve if you've never set up a site before. Overall, HostGator is easier for absolute first-timers, InMotion for anyone who likes a bit more control. Either way, you're in good hands, so it's a tie. Let's zoom out for a sec and check that radar chart. You can see InMotion hosting pretty much aces speed, security, support, features, and coverage. HostGator comes close in ease of use and price, but overall, InMotion is ahead in most critical spots. So, final verdict, look, if you really care about speed, security, and actually getting help when you need it, InMotion hosting is honestly the best choice, even if you're just getting started with web hosting. HostGator is still awesome if you want something cheap and extra easy to use, but it's just not quite as well-rounded. Personally, I'd go InMotion any day. Hey, if this comparison helped you, make sure to save it or share it with a friend who's shopping for hosting. And definitely check both hosts' current deals before you decide. Prices and bonuses change all the time.